All right, good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's see here. Let's go turn this down. We should be good to go. So, well, guys, market's been moving. Oh, man. So, the buy side objective from yesterday was met. Obviously, when we we were looking to take our longs yesterday, we anticipated that we could move into the new week opening gap, which we did achieve yesterday. And then this morning, obviously, this buy side liquidity pool has been ran through with some force. So, with that being said, we're in the macro obviously right now, and I am willing to play shorts simply due to the fact that we have run through all this buy side, and this macro is continuing to push higher as well, taking even more liquidity. If we drop down here, let's see, taking even more liquidity to the upside. So therefore, I do want to play shorts if we can get a good setup for it. However, in this scenario, if we don't get one, I mean, there's still higher buy side in place on the weekly time frame. I don't really know exactly. We have to kind of guess how this weekly candle is going to close. You know, we can kind of look at this weekly chart, and we can, see what this looks like. But we finally have gotten out of this weekly liquidity void. And this is the only buy side objective remaining above here. I mean, do I think we're going to get here today? Probably not. I guess we'll see, but I don't really see it getting there today. But in any which case, I still believe that we can participate in getting short. I think we'll be able to participate in getting short based on all that buy side that has been taken. So we shall wait, unfortunately. Took a long off of a fair value gap targeting buy side liquidity. Nice. Yo, good morning, DeAndrew. Salas is done for the day. Yeah, I would be after that trade, to be honest. What can you learn there if you already have a strategy? Oh, FX Summit. Yeah, that's my opinion. It's I guess more so if you're just wanting to network and meet people. So no gap on the 2 or the 3 minute, not enough data yet. There is one tiny one right there on the 1 minute. But I would like to see, truthfully, I'd like to see a shift below here, pull back into a gap. I want to see something with some energy. This is not really, this looks like a trap. We're pretty good at this waiting thing, I'm not gonna lie. I saw the news calendar for the next week. Will there be any day that you would prefer to avoid looking at charts? Let's go look. I don't think so. CPI, PPI, no, I plan to trade those days. Monday, bond auction for USD. Tuesday, CPI. Wednesday, PPI. Thursday. No, I think we're good, but we'll approach it the same way. Like, to be honest, guys, had we caught yesterday's trade, I'm just being fully honest, I would have taken the day off and slept in today. Because there's just been like no reason to trade after 2 trades back to back. Wednesday, Thursday, full TPs hit, 25 plus handles or even more if you held. But so only in the event of like an amazing week up until Friday, where it's like there's no reason to trade another day. We'll take Friday off in that scenario. And then like obviously, we can review the market together, tape read, talk in the Discord, and whoever wants to trade. Obviously, you guys are in control of your account, so you guys can trade if you want. But otherwise, yeah, no, I'm anticipating trading every day next week. How did I know that was a trap? I didn't know it was a trap. I just kind of assumed that it would be based on the fact that this fair value gap was so small, very weak. I mean, this was technically a 1 minute market structure shift because it's the last down before the move that put in a new high. It's just, but there's no energy here. Like you can tell the difference between an energetic move and one that's not. 15 seconds. There we go. See what I'm saying, guys? Gap here, lining up with structure. If it all plays out good and well, that's going to be a chef's kiss. All right, great. So let's see how this, hopefully this candle leaves the gap for us. It may or may not. So let's mark it up. Let's anticipate getting short guys in this gap if one gets left behind. Stop above the high, 3.5 handles. And we've got 30 seconds left on this candle. And then we'll look for lower lows to target. So as long as this gap stays, this meets all of our rules. I'm gonna get one tick into there, bro. You're not gonna do me dirty like this 2 days in a row. You're not going to do that. One tick. It's all one tick. That's all I'm asking. Just one. See if I care. I'm good at staring contests, so I'll sit here all day. One tick. There we go. All right, I entered. I entered. Stop above the high. One tick a room. It's in the market maker's hands now. This is a good trade. I would take it 10 out of 10 times, and I will live with the result 10 out of 10 times. But only trade of the day for me. I'm not gonna, if price goes higher from here, guys, I'm not gonna sit here and keep trying to force trades. And I don't think you guys should either. It finally gave us what we wanted. So let's see. 5 handles lines up with these lows. That's beautiful. And 10 handles brings us all the way down yonder. I guess that's 10.25. I'll do 10. I'm going to do, yeah, 10 even here. That'll be 1% gain on this account. And then, guys, TP3. Yeah, we're going to fill that imbalance. We're going to target opening price from today. That's going to be TP3. But confirmations for the trade, obviously, buy-side liquidity sweep. Displacement. Little market structure shift here on the 1 minute time frame. Fair value gap entry. Targeting opposing liquidity. But boy, oh boy, this doesn't look good. SL hit. Well, shit. Yo, what's up, YouTube? I just wanted to throw this in the recording. I did call it another trade, so don't crucify me for it in the comments. We did hit TP1 already. Removed risk. I should have started recording earlier, but just to prove to you guys that I did call it out, right here, I just said, honestly, if you're okay with the risk, this is a good setup. People entered. A lot of people said they were already in or still in from the first trade. They never got stopped out. One guy passed his top step, phase 1, which is dope. But yeah, this is the trade right now. I didn't take a partial. I did on MetaTrader, but I didn't take a partial on top step. So I might end up with nothing on this trade. If this stops me out here at break even. We'll see though. I just wanted to include this in the recording for you guys. So no trades go undocumented. I was about to take a partial down here, but I wasn't quick enough getting this set up, unfortunately. I was gonna sell one contract off here, and then I was actually gonna let this thing run a little bit with my final contract and then trail my stop loss. I actually might do that still. Thank God I didn't get stopped out. But hopefully this keeps going down. That was close. Sheesh. This market is something else. This market is something else. That is for sure. So yeah, I do think I am going to do that, guys. I want to see this get down to like 800 profit. And then I want to sell one of these contracts, or I guess buy it back. Oh geez, we might just go right now. What I don't want to have happen is like I do that and then this gets hit and then I'm sitting with this looks like it's gonna get hit. I'm just gonna let it go for now. I say that, but then I'm gonna be kicking myself. Cause if this gets hit, I gotta modify it. You know what I mean? I gotta modify it. All right, I am gonna do that. And I have to modify this. I don't want this to get hit. 1. Modify. All right, perfect. Oh, no. I actually don't even want this. Oh, it got hit. Fuck. See what I mean? It's kind of like clumsy dealing with this sometimes. All right, we're ripping though. So yeah, for the YouTube as well, this is where the Top Step account is at. Kind of actually fucked myself out of some profit taking a partial there. But what I was trying to do was I was trying to sell off one, then I was going to remove that buy. I should have just drug it down because I wanted to trail it and get more out of it and end up with even more at the end of this whole trade was the plan. But oh well. So yeah, I'm 104, 481. So still profitable on the day though, even after losing 300 on trade number 1. But yeah, for the recording, this is going to be take profit 3 and then take profit for, man, honestly, I'm just going to let's go to the 1 hour. I almost want to say just get out. Let's mark this up. No, let's yeah, let's do it. Screw it. 50% is TB3. So yes, I'm going to end the recording there, guys. I'll try to update it if like as I'm uploading this TB3 gets hit or something, but otherwise just go look at the chart yourself and you guys will be able to tell if I hit take profit 3 or not, or if I got stopped at break even. But as of right now, winning trade, 2 TPs were hit, potentially TB3 loading. So hopefully you guys had an amazing week. And yeah, I'll be back at it with more live trading recordings tomorrow. Or no, not tomorrow. Next week. Have a good weekend, y'all. Be safe.